Hi, I'm Matt Dean, a broker with RE/MAX Realty Specialist at mattdeanrealty.com. Are you ready to house hunt? It's a jungle out there. Prepare for a flurry of paperwork, stampedes of buyers competing for the same digs, and many other challenges before you get your hands on those house keys. I won't lie, the process can be complex and stressful, especially if you are a first-time homebuyer. Having an accredited buyer representative by your side can make all the difference. So, here are 6 reasons to have a buyer agent by your side. Reason number 1, guidance. Buying a home is most likely the biggest and most important investment you will make in your life. There is so much to consider when buying a home, and it's easy to get emotional and miss a potentially disappointing and expensive issue. Working with a buyer's agent who does this daily and knows the ins and outs can guide you from start to finish and ensure you make sound decisions, giving you a stress-free experience and a smooth closing. Reason number 2, problem solving. A knowledgeable buyer's agent will foresee potential problems before they arise and save you headaches and potential buyer's remorse. So many issues can pop up throughout the process, and an experienced buyer's agent will take care of all of them before they even happen. Reason number 3, protection. A buyer's agent represents you. By signing a buyer representation agreement, you are binding the agent and their brokerage to do what is right for you. Full disclosure, absolute confidentiality, and a code of ethics that compels the realtor to put your needs first and a duty to follow your lawful requests. Reason number 4, a buyer's agent knows what to look for when viewing homes. Buyers usually have a pretty firm idea in mind of what they want in a property. Number of bedrooms, an attached garage, to any number of must-have and must-have-not factors. You'll probably feel pretty comfortable looking at homes with that list tucked firmly in the back of your mind. But your agent will be alert for issues that might not cross your mind, such as furnace issues, leaks, roofing problems, and mold and insect issues. An agent will recognize the telltale signs of these problems and know how to best approach them. Again, this experience and knowledge can end up saving you thousands down the road. Also, an agent can research current and reputable data regarding the neighborhood's demographics, crime rates, schools, and other important factors. That's a lot of time-consuming research to do on your own, particularly if you don't know where to start. Reason number 5, superior negotiating skills. You might not be a negotiation shark if you don't happen to be an attorney, mediator, union rep, or a real estate agent who is a certified negotiation expert like myself. It's an agent's job to get you the best possible price for your home or to see that you get the best possible deal on the property you want to buy. It takes instinct that comes from experience and know-how to approach each unique situation. I have tried and true techniques, and most importantly, I have no emotional stake in the outcome that can cloud clear thinking. You, on the other hand, might be willing to come up with $10,000 more to purchase that to-die-for home, never realizing that it's really not necessary because you possess certain bargaining chips. Reason number 6, no out-of-pocket cost. The real estate commission is paid by the seller. You do not have to pay out of your pocket for all the services you receive from your buyer's agent. If you think you might save some money buying through the listing agent, keep in mind they are bound to do what is right for the seller. So, any perceived savings in commission is typically outweighed by the lack of negotiation, protection, and service a skilled buyer's agent would give you. If you are paying the price anyway, why not have somebody in your corner putting your needs and interests first? As an accredited buyer representative and negotiation expert, I have the skills, knowledge, and experience to get you what you want and ensure a smooth purchase that you will be happy for years to come. But most importantly, I always put you first. Contact me to help realize your dream of owning a home or making a smart investment in real estate. And remember, it's all about you.